Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by softening the adhesive so removal is controlled and you don't damage paint. Heat the sticker edges for 30 to 60 seconds with a hairdryer or heat gun set to 60 to 80 degrees Celsius. Once the adhesive warms, lift a corner using your fingernail or a plastic scraper. Don't use metal. Make sure to clean the area first so debris doesn't scratch the finish. If a corner won't lift, reapply heat and try again. Work slowly and keep the tool moving. Once you have an edge lifted, peel at a low 30 to 45 degree angle to reduce stress on paint and avoid tearing. Pull slowly and steadily. Quick yanks leave glue or damage. For stubborn bits, employ dental floss or fishing line behind the sticker and use a sawing motion to separate adhesive from the surface. After the sticker is off, treat remaining residue with adhesive remover or 90% isopropyl alcohol. Work small areas and wipe with a microfiber. To finish, thoroughly clean the area with soap and water, then dry it with a lint-free cloth to remove any cleaner residue. This prevents new dirt from bonding. If you see hazing or faint adhesive, apply a small amount of non-abrasive polish and buff gently until it blends. Make sure to inspect for paint lift. If paint is compromised, stop and consult a professional or use a matched touch-up kit. If adhesive won't budge, reapply heat and solvent rather than forcing removal to avoid damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.